Hello everyone. Today I you some tips on what to do during the heavy rain caused by El Niño. It's very important to stay safe and prepared. First, stay home and avoid going out unless necessary. Second, don't walk or drive flooded streets as the water can be dangerous. Also, keep emergency supplies on hand, such as drinking water, a flashing, and a radio. I be a responsibility we can protect our lives or community. Thank you.